Hey kids, if you haven't watched part 1, check out our channel or the link in the description below. Now slime part 2 begins now.
Clear slime?
Yeah!
Alright, you guys got your clear slime. Let's go ahead and pour it in the bowls.
Whoa, again.
Whoa!
Whoa! Look at mine! Whoa, again!
On this one you can see exactly that you have all the glue out because you can see through the bottom. Ooh, this one's gonna be cool. Add the magical liquid. Alright, mix away.
Okay, I feel like it's gonna be perfect. Wow! Look at mine, it looks like jelly. Look!
Alright, you guys ready to have your first ingredient?
Yeah!
These are going to be little shells.
Yeah?
Let's see what color Elmer picks.
Please get
And if you guys want to trade, you guys can trade, okay? After you guys pick ready, pick yours.
Yes, please!
Oh, she got pick out. She's going to want to trade.
It's already inside.
There you go. Let's see, this is cool because you guys are going to be able to see all the things you add to it because it's clear.
We're making clear slime.
Clear slime.
It looks like jelly. Haven't seen it. Yay! Cannonball!
Oops.
Oopsies.
Oh, here comes the surprise.
Yay! Mine is coming out like slime. Mine is coming out like slime a little.
Should we add some food coloring?
Yeah! I like red.
You want red?
I just want yellow.
Yellow, okay, you want to
I
go
want red.
yellow. So just add a few drops, not too much, you want?
So only 3 drops.
Go ahead.
Pretty much 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, we'll mix it in.
Whoa, that was close. I'm gonna have mine.
You want red layers?
Yep.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow, yours is yellow slime and mine is gonna be red.
Okay, add 3 drops. Whoa!
It just feels like a blob. It doesn't feel like slime.
Alright, take it out. Yeah!
Okay. Am I ready? See?
Alright, Lance, yours is looking good. There you go. Yeah, gotta get it all. There you go.
I'm gonna make it like a yeah. Look at mine. I made a donut.
Ooh, what's okay. Yours looks like a strawberry lamb.
Yeah.
Like strawberry syrup or something. Ooh.
And I put some more like dough.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Well, I'm going to serve this some clay for yours. Try to mix that in, it'll maybe make it less sticky and more manageable. Mix it in. Ooh, that looks like it's kind of yummy. It looks like ice cream or something.
Yeah. It's turning out kind of looking like yogurt.
Yeah, that looks kind of neat.
After
Whoa.
yeah, totally like yogurt.
Whoa, you guys want it slime? You got it. Look at that.
This is like real slime. Real slime is like so stiff. Wow.
All right,
I have
mix
a
those in.
pin.
Let's have some.
They're so big.
Go ahead and mix that in.
Oh. I picked this one.
What you get? Put it on.
Pancake chocolate cake.
All right, you guys ready for the big slime?
Yeah!
We've made slimes. We've made 3 already. The little one. What was the first one you guys made?
This one.
Yeah, that was a small
This
one.
one
And that was your
pink.
first one. What was the second one we made?
This green.
That one was much bigger, and then the final one we made was with the clear glue.
This one.
And it's there because it's still a little. Oh, yeah, it's really good. Try to pull it out and see how it feels. Let's see, look at that nice slime. Woo-hoo. All right, let's get started with the big one. For this one, we're gonna need a much bigger magic
Are we
liquid.
still
We
gonna
still have a
use
little bit of those. We will need that, and then we're gonna pull out the big one.
We are gonna use all of it.
And we're gonna use as much as it fits in the bowl.
Yeah?
Here we go. Let's pour.
Whoa! We didn't need this much glue.
Whoa.
Almost.
This is gonna be a lot. Think that's enough?
Yeah, more.
More?
Yeah.
Pour! Whoa, guys.
It's getting full.
Alright, that's
It's getting
enough.
full.
That's enough. Okay, so what food color should we have?
Yellow and orange. Let's make orange. I mean yellow and red. And then we'll get orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leia? 5.
1, 2,
2, 3,
4, 5.
and 5. Okay. Ooh, look at the swirls.
It's getting orange. It's getting to white orange.
Yeah. Still see some dark color red on the. There we go. So it's kind of like a light orange. Okay, how about we add a drop of blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what that does. 1 drop. Oh, that's more like 3.
Please take over. I don't care if you make green or something. Oh no, now it's probably, it's kind of teal. It's kind of teal.
Add all the magic liquid you guys have left. We still have a whole big bottle more. Whoa, that looks kind of weird. You see the separation. Okay, lots of red. Yeah, because we don't want that weird color.
It's getting red. Actually, it's getting pink. It's getting pink. Good.
It looks like it's ready to come out and start kneading, huh?
Yeah. Look at this.
All right, I'll help you guys pour it onto the table.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll start adding some ingredients. Okay.
Here we go. Okay. It's so soft. Can we add whey to it?
lots of stuff.
I'm making a bubble. Helado.
It looks like helado.
What's in my hand?
He makes them what? The first item.
Whoa, on her hands.
Someone just add lots of stuff. Alright guys, look at this big old pancake of slime we have. And we have all these ingredients. All these fun little things we can add. And let's have the rest of the little toys.
Yeah.
Let's have all these.
Sprinkle
Whoa. Did we have too much stuff?
Yeah. And this is amazing. Slime. Still so amazing.
Let's have some clay too. That is. Oh man, all the Orbeez are coming out. The Orbeez don't stick very well.
Here.
Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. We got an Orbeez mess.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I hope we find a treasure. Now let's try some.
Whoa. Is this the biggest slime you guys have ever played with?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Looks like we had a pretty successful day of slime making, huh?
Yeah, you have this big pink one, this green one, yellow one, and we have this red one, purple one, and pink one.
Pink one, and this one kind of came out pink as well.
Yeah.
Alright, so, yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. Let's go ahead and just mix them all together now. We'll make one big, huge slime. Mix it in, one big slime.
Now it's this thing.
Mix it. Look at that. It's just a big blob.
It looks like a burrito. Never want these on the
I
wall.
know. I'm all over the place. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our video.
Subscribe to our video.